Today, we've got a game-changing topic that's going to transform the way you approach success. Are you ready to unlock the formula for success? Well, stay with us as we explore the intriguing concept of thinking big, acting small. The very formula that can supercharge your journey towards your goals. Let's find out. We often hear the mantra, think big, and it's not wrong. Dreaming big, setting ambitious goals, and visualizing success are essential components of any success story. But here's the kicker. Success doesn't solely rely on thinking big. It's a two-part equation. To think big is to envision your long-term goals, to see the grand vision of what you want to achieve. It's about painting that larger-than-life canvas of your future. But here's the twist. Merely thinking big can be overwhelming. How do you climb a mountain? One step at a time. And that's where acting small comes into play. Acting small means breaking down your colossal ambitions into manageable, bite-sized actions. It's about setting achievable milestones and taking consistent, focused steps towards your bigger picture. The key here is making your think big dream digestible. By thinking big and acting small, you can track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Each small action, each milestone achieved, fuels your motivation and propels you closer to your ultimate goals. It's like building a skyscraper, one brick at a time. From tech giants to world-renowned artists, many have attributed their achievements to this think big, act small approach. So how can you apply this formula in your life? We've got some practical tips coming up, but remember, it all starts with clarity. Define your think big goal, break it into smaller milestones, and get started. Persistence, consistency, and adaptability are your best friends on this journey. Remember, success isn't an overnight journey. It's a process that requires both vision and execution. So, let's recap. Think big, act small is the formula for success. Dream big, but work small. Your daily actions, your focused steps, they're the bricks of your success story. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow dreamers and doers. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Better Every Day for more content that empowers you to become the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep thinking big, acting small, and working towards a better you. See you in the next video.